welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing another unboxing. I know if you watched my previous video you'll know that I mentioned that I was getting an iPad. I'm making this change because I write a lot and I use up a lot of journals, and if you check my belongings you'd see at least 10 jotters. So it was crazy, and because I was starting school soon, I was working, I knew I was going to use up more paper. So I decided to make the switch, and thanks to my wonderful husband, he gifted this to me as a birthday gift. So it was really awesome. I got the silver in 256 gig. I was going to go with 128. Thank God I did not. I realized I was going to be writing a lot and doing school stuff on my iPad, so I just upped the memory space higher. So these are the items it came with, and the cable. And of course, if you get an iPad, you should get an Apple Pencil because they work together, and it just makes the whole experience a lot better, especially if you're going to be note taking. I also got a glass screen protector. Let me tell you now, this is not for writing. The screen protector I got is not for writing. It's a hard glass screen protector, so it only protects your iPad. If you try writing on it, your pencil is going to be dragging in a weird way, so it just flows. You know how you're trying to write with a pen on the glass? That's how it is. So I did go ahead and purchase a paper, a paper screen protector. So this one, the screen protector, is not actually a screen protector. It's just like a film that you put on your screen, on your iPad, to be able to write. That's the major difference. You can see that this one is really hard. Literally, the other one I got was like what I just took off from the hard screen protector. So what I did was I just placed the film one on top of this glass one, because baby, the last thing I want to hear is stories, and I didn't get Apple Care for my iPad, so, and it has expired, so I can't even put it now because this video has been sitting in my video log for a long time. So just in case you're wondering, so I did go ahead to purchase the Paperlike. Not the Paperlike, because the Paperlike is like $40. There was a cheap one I saw, $13, and it works really good. I highly recommend that. I'm going to put it in the description box, so if you're interested, definitely go ahead and make a purchase. So as you can see, the screen guard, the case that I bought is a pink one. I really like this case. My only worry though is where the pencil is. I wish it was you see that hole there? I wish it was complete, like it wasn't, you know what I mean. I did a lot of research and I wanted a case that had a space for my my Apple Pencil, and at the same time my iPad, because the ones without the pencil case, I felt like my pencil was going to be like just dropping off. So yeah, another thing I also did, I got the Apple Pencil case. All that I did in the coming months, so that's why you can really see it here. But I'm going to link everything in the description box. I got like 2 cases for the pencil. One is a grape and then the other one is like a full case. Now this stuff, I don't know, I really don't recommend it, because I think it even made my handwriting worse, because it kept, like, if you use it for a week, the tip of the cover itself becomes, it stretches, so when you're writing, your handwriting will be stretching. So I do not recommend it. So far, since I've been using my actual pencil nib against the film that I bought, the Paperlike film that I bought, it has been working fine. There's been no issue whatsoever. My pencil is fine. Maybe in the coming months something might happen to it, but that was my fear, and that was the reason why I got this cover. And trust me, it was just a waste of money. So but I mean, you can always just use it to cover your pencil, or just give it a try if it works for you. The next thing I did, obviously, I went ahead to download like my apps. For note taking, the app that I downloaded was Good Notes, and the reason why I did that was because I like that the notes are in folders and you can customize the cover, unlike Notability where it's just like a list, so you don't see it as a folder, which is crazy. Notability too, one thing I liked about it that was really pushing me to get it was the fact that you can record like your lectures as you take notes in real time. Good Notes doesn't have that, but I didn't mind because there were so many good sides to Good Notes that, especially the folder. I think the folder was a big deal for me. And to solve that, you can use your voice memo while you're writing. The only thing though is that you're going to be hearing that like when you're writing, the sound of you writing, you're definitely going to hear it. But aside that, I've been using my voice memo and writing at the same time, so I guess it works. And I'm just showing you guys what like the apps that I've downloaded so far. I have like 3 folders or 4 folders. So one is for school, one for job, and one for personal learning. So this is my MBA folder where I'm just like brushing up on my maths before school starts. So really excited about that. And then some work folders and what's not. So if you watch this video up to this extent, give me a huge thumbs up. What Apple products do you use? Do you own an iPad? Do you like notes taking on an iPad? Leave a comment down below. I love you guys. See you in my next one.
Only thing that changing is the time. Everything will fall along. Be patient with the grind, cause we gon' shine. Be patient with us. Be patient with us. You messed up when you let it slip. We changing every day. Feeling in my melanin. We them boys about to start our records up again. With my ride or dies in it till the very end. Sun kiss, got the cocoa. Treat it like the list that leaves, I do the most though. Flip the OP, going posto. Try to call a shot, you in the post.
Shoot your shot long range. Doesn't matter if you make the miss the ball. Gonna come back to you in the game. Same love with the same. Take time to be wise. Gotta learn from the mistakes. On a mission to be great. Struggle with this and shape. My childhood was making money, and my job is where I play to keep the food on the plate. When friends who can't relate, who had to compensate. That's why it's set up for 8.
When it came up, juice up in my cup. Sausage running low, I got more than enough. Black boy, Jewish guy, basket rabbi in the cut. Was it